Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like up the video, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys, today I'm here with a little vlog and update for Uno. Thanks to everybody who did message before I said that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go over to Instagram now and follow me at IANDRA__. But big up to everybody who did send me kind messages on Instagram like get well soon and all of that. In the previous video I did tell you that I never did feel well, belly ache, and but now I'm much better. I'm good, thank God. But tonight I'm there with a little update for you guys. Remember me did tell you say what anniversary they're right around the corner, which is the 5th of November. I don't know, last year 5th of November. I don't remember all of that. We never did a plan for celebrate our anniversary. We did go just skip over it because our wedding was right around the corner, and to celebrate anniversary and then we're getting married. However, we want to get pushed back, the whole change up, and this minute at this and that minute at that, and guys, it was so stressful, too stressful. So as may I say, it pushed back 2, almost 3 months from the original date. So Jason and I, we plan for just go somewhere nice and celebrate, just relax, relax and get away from the house, because we're in the house almost every day. So saying this to say that me pack up 2 little things for me and Jason so we can go enjoy the little day. That was a mouthful. I already put some stuff for Jason. Him they take out all them stuff them we want to bring, have them on the bed. So I pack them in the suitcase and I just do little packing for myself. So it was just a last minute thing. We reserved the place already, which is good. I know Jason I gonna have all of the driving there for do for the entire day. Now me feel bad and me really need to learn how to drive. Like me really need to learn how to drive, because if me could have drive, then me could have at least do half a journey with him. Wishful thinking, but yeah, it not look good for true. Me really need to learn how to drive. So we just want to get all of the packing out of the way so we can sleep, get enough rest, because say we're gonna wake up early in the morning and then start the journey. But I'm not really far away ago anyway, so it's not that bad, but I just wish I could have helped JC with at least little of the driving. So if you always in the comment section and tell me say, hey Andrea, go learn how to drive. Me not in skin, me not in skin, me not gonna feel no way encourage me. It's a help me to help you situation. Me company channel, I'm share my little knowledge. I want to share back phone knowledge with me and also encourage me. And I don't know me, bird as usual, but this time it's lengthy. I'm gonna show you that really love it. My hairdresser really a go. I'm gonna put her information right here, so check her out. If you're in Clarendon, check her out. I'm gonna show you now. Yeah, so this is the length. Really nice. Parting really neat, and it's not too fine. It's just perfect. And she plait so neat. Baby ear them not look so right now. Why we always do we ear and put it back in a bonnet, or me alone stay so? Me not look no company. If you wanna stay like this, comment below and let me know. Even though me know female will stay like this, do them ear and throw it right back in the bonnet. For the nails, just something simple. I'm gonna put the information to my nail tech right here on the screen. The information that I have for her in one of them vlogs there when we did do the pink that changed because she relocated. So I'm gonna give another updated information, but they're so cute, really cute. I'm gonna wait on Jason for reach home and come confirm if everything is nice. If everything when we pack up film, if I that him really want, even though him they looking there already. And I input majority of the stuff on the bed, and then I put some other little things on. Would I really love to see me now. Let me show you something. When I have a partner, and I just love to see them in the one thing there, me, this. I love to just in them here. So the other day I went on the road and I saw this. And I couldn't left it. I did have to buy these thick jeans. I love seeing them. I'm sure. Guys, tell me if I love these. I really love these. Look. And I gotta wear it with this. Please don't tell me I say tie. Yeah, I gotta wear it with this. So this I want heart as well. But these time I want to write down the name of the places them, you know. But for telling you, because I want to get the nice looking things and them affordable. I search down the whole place for this in the square. Love the texture, I love everything, I love how it look. I search for it in the square one, I can't find it. No matter where I go, when I see them on Instagram, I ask if it's available, unavailable. But it's nice. Tell me if you don't like it. So I bought this in Maxi for him. I buy one to myself as well. I did already have two, but them never did full black. Jason, I really love water. Me love water, but I just buy it in case. I like to go to the beach and I feel the stuff that might drip me on my foot, but I'm afraid of that. I have bad experience. Remember, I go beach one time and something sharp sliced me under my foot bottom and they take long to heal. Hey guys, so it's the next day and remember how I told you last night so I don't go up on the road? I end up having to go up on the road today. Jason and I went on the road because after packing we realized that we don't have enough rag for me and for Jason. Tell me why I get all of them in the same color. It looked like when Jason come out of the car and him have him rag them on him lap, him step out and I realized that them drop on. So comes all of them just disappear. So we're gonna get some of them today. I'm gonna rinse them out. So that's that. Packing is done and out of the way. I'm really excited. Check out time for the hotel at 12 o'clock and check in at 3 o'clock. But why? Why could it be the next way around? And on top of that, guys, I feel like I have everything under control because I clean up the place, wash, we fold up, organize. So when we come back, we're gonna come back to a clean and tidy house. Guys, the other day we regulator never did a work. We did a search and search and search. Can't get no splitted. Finally call one place and other one splitted. Them carry around it come give way. Then we did have to wait, can't cook nothing. Then I remember some I have one crock pot. I said, crock pot. I must can whip up something in this. I don't know if for me, but the crock pot they smell like it's a burn or probably I just say smell when it's a, I don't know. But yeah, it did rough in our day. I'm not telling a lie. Being an adult, it's hard. You watch this, you as a person will live with a parents and you're planning to move out and stuff. I mean, go ahead and do it if you want to move out. But if you can stay there a little bit longer and save up and get certain stuff in place so when you move it not gonna be so hard, that would be good. If you can buy one little one bed and lean it up and just a whole lot. You have to just think about whole heap of stuff. But just know say it's not gonna be easy unless financially you know say you kind of have it covered. That's good for you. That's a bonus. Give God thanks you can't move out. I'm not sure if it's scaring nobody, but life hard. I find myself I pray a lot these days. I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. I always tell myself so once I'm in a good health, I have roof over my head and I have something I can eat it no matter what. Once it can consume and give my body energy, I'm good. Stop watch people life and feel like say, oh, because them always I do this and them always I do that, all is well, da 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 da. No, it's not always like that. And majority of the time, people not show them struggles, none at all. As I say, I'm grateful. I'm happy say any little thing when I have, I can share it with somebody and say, it's not much, but I have this and I'm willing to share it. And guys, if I don't have it, can share it. Not because you see some people and when them dress up and them gone out, them look so nice. If you're saying to yourself, say, oh me, I'm not give them nothing because them always look good. Guys, people know where them problem on them face again. First of all, just did feel like to vent that because life not easy. The whole pandemic come in and it slowed everybody who used to hustle, who used to go work every day, who used to do this, who used to do that. Everything slowed down. And guys, all I can do is just encourage you to pray and have faith. If you have a skill, put it to use. For the girl them who can do hair, who can do nails, who can do whatever you're good at, put it to use. Nobody sit down and talk about me don't know if we start because nobody not gonna help me, pray about it, and tomorrow God send somebody right to your doorstep come help you. Stranger, family, anybody. But don't doubt yourself. Don't sit down and say, where to go come from? Oh, me go start. Make a move. Try something. Ask somebody for help. Some we have to just put our pride aside right now and just ask for help. If it's no, it's no. Don't prolong it. Don't diss nobody because you did ask for help and them say no, them not have it. All if you know so them have it, just say okay, may God bless you, bye-bye. The man them who can build house, who can make cupboard, who can do little landscaping, who can do whatever, put it to use. No at the time. No at the time. If you have to hustle, hustle. Nobody sit down and say no job, not the boat, not this, not that. Create your own job. Because when the workload starts to come in, you never know who your week can hire. And that's just how me look on life right now. You probably not look on life like how me look on it, but I feel like it makes sense. If it don't make sense, you can comment and suggest other stuff so people in the comment section can read it. But right now we have to just encourage everybody. Be proud of your hustle. Anything you do, be proud of it, promote it, tell people about it. You're gonna have people who don't want to hear, you're gonna have people who want to hear. See me, you know what me do? Me and Jason, anything we want, we're safe towards it. See Christmas is right around the corner. You know what I start do? I start saving my $100 and my $50 them. You have some people who can't help it but for spend. Them have $100, them can't hold it in them hand, them just feel so spenny. Save the $50. I encourage anybody who watch this to save. Challenge yourself and see how much you have at the end of the year or whatever. And sometimes we don't have to wait for a year, we don't have to wait for 6 months. Sometimes the same saving there can pay your fare for go somewhere. The same saving there can buy a pound of sugar. But this is just one little encouragement for who feel down, who feel stagnant, who feel depressed. Just go and hold the faith. Pray about it. Trust me. Pray, and don't stop praying. Me know the prayer work. Me know that for sure. Anything where my problem in my life, me pray about it. Me say, God, take full control of this because me cannot manage. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.